Hi there, I'm Shilah. I'm Simply Earth's Wholesale Success Manager, and I'm so excited that you're here. I'm gonna walk you through how you can start selling our products at your location. So why choose us over all these other companies out there? Well, don't forget, no more home parties. So you don't have to go to all these crazy parties and have monthly minimal orders or decide which oils to start with, because I'll help you out with that. We also have a 100-day buyback guarantee, which is amazing for you. If in the first 100 days you have oils that you have purchased that are unopened, you can send them back to us for either a full refund, or we'll go ahead and ship you out oils that we know are selling well for you. It's a no-risk guarantee for you. We know our oils are gonna sell well, so here are some of the things that our other wholesalers are saying.
One of the main reasons that I chose Simply Earth to carry in our shop was because they were local, 100% pure oil, and toxin-free. Simply Earth is not a multi-level marketing, and because of that, their price point is absolutely amazing, and we get many repeat customers. The oils sell themselves. There is flexibility in setting your own price. So depending on your location, what your market is, they are very flexible in letting you do that. Also, they allow you to use their oils in creating products of your own, such as lotions, soaps, candles, bath bombs. It was incredibly easy to open up a wholesale account with Simply Earth. Very easy to work with. If I have any questions on how to use them, how to market them, they're always there for us. It's all been completely seamless.
So not only are you getting 100% pure oils at your business, you're also supporting a really great cause. Simply Earth donates 13% of their profits each month to a different organization that's helping to fight human trafficking. So it's not only good for you, it's good for your business, it's good for your customers, and it's also good for your community. Thanks for watching. Hit the Apply Now button and I'll get you started selling oils right away. See you later.